channel. My name is Ann, and today I'm going to do two pretty quick boxes. I'm going to start off with the Rocksbox, my first time ever to get Rocksbox, and then also my FabFitFun box, which I customized it all, and I got some different things than most people. Like, I have not seen a couple of the things that I got nobody else picked out, which makes me kind of wonder. But anyway, we're going to go through that really quick, and I am just kind of learning about Rocksbox. It is a monthly jewelry rental. You pay $21 and they will send you 3 pieces. You can keep them as long as you want, or you can send them all back. You can send a couple back, and you also can buy. If you want to keep any, you can buy them. It's a fun way to try new pieces, and you can stop it at any time. But what I got was this Ava Rose Boston Drops in red magnesite. And then I got the Perry Street Kate studs in champagne, which I think are really pretty. I'm probably going to keep these. And then this pendant that is the Banter 18 karat gold plated pave circle pendant. Make sure I get the right side to you. And I think that's really pretty. Very delicate, very pretty. But those are what I got. The studs are $38. The red drops are $46, and the pendant is $47. So that is what I got in my Rocksbox. Not 100% sure that I will continue to do Rocksbox. Not sure I need jewelry all the time. On to my next box, my fully customized FabFitFun box. In here, I already opened it and went through everything. But you get the magazine, which is it really is a cool magazine. It's got recipes. It's got it tells you about some of the items that you'll get. Anyway, it is a good little magazine. But let's start with the incense. I think this is a really pretty little jar. It's kind of a brass, but kind of a brown brass. And I thought it would look pretty in my new bathroom that we're in the process of redoing right now. I just thought this would be pretty in there. And this is $40. This is $40. I did read, and here's the oil that came with it. I did read that it could leak. That little jar could leak. I don't love that smell. Can't really describe it, but not my favorite. But that it can leak under here as it sits, so don't sit it directly on your furniture. You might want to put something underneath it. Just what I've heard. I have not burned mine yet. The next thing I got is the Cloud Nola alarm clock, and I thought this was just really cute. It's a lot smaller than I thought it was, but it gives you the time, date, and what else? Oh, gives you the time, temperature, and date. And it also is motion sensitive. But it came with a USB cord, and then it also came with 3 AAA batteries. So the next thing I got was this Vera Bradley compact organizer. I am in general not a huge Vera Bradley fan. I just don't. The loud florals are not for me. I know she's super popular, but I thought this was pretty. I will probably gift this, but it's just kind of a very soft, kind of velvety, and then it has her. I don't mind it inside. And then it has this outside pocket with places for maybe brushes, and it's got a zipper, and then it's got these two. It's got a good zipper on it. That was another thing that I got. This one was, oh, the clock was $45. This organizer is $50. I got the boot socks from the Fry Boot Company. These were $25. They're a bamboo. They're a mid-weight, which is perfect. And gray and black. And I just liked them. I like them. So there's that. These were $24. And then I got the Shea and Moringa balm, which is super, 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 super thick. It's hard to get out. But I also know that it softens. It can soften some, like in heat. Not that you'd want to do that. But it's very, very, very moisturizing. It'd be like might be something I might put on my hands at night before I go to bed. But it's got shea butter and moringa seed oil in it, which I looked up moringa. I keep calling it moringa. I looked up moringa, and it is Portuguese for strawberry. So, strawberry seed oil? I don't know. But there's that. Then I got this. The cuff. The Jenny Bird cuff that it says is worth $135. And I just thought that was really pretty. It's got the extender chain, which is really good. It's made of iron, brass, zinc, and CCB, which then I looked up CCB because I've never heard of that. And it's just kind of a plastic, a better quality plastic that they put in jewelry a lot before they plate it with the good stuff. And then I got these two random items. The non-alcoholic Heineken, which I don't like beer, so I'm not sure I would like this. And my husband doesn't drink beer, so we'll save that for our kids if they want it. And then we got this I got this Dove Advanced Care Dry Spray Deodorant. And these were my add-ons. It's the Kanuka CBD Calming Eye Balm. And it is exactly that. It is a balm. And I do tend to get little red kind of rashes around my eyes sometimes. And I thought I would try this and see how I liked it and if it helped. And then I got this, I used this, the DNA, Dr. Brandt DNA Time Defying Cream. This is what I put on at night. There you go. First I put on my serum and then I put this on at night, and I could probably wear it in the daytime too, but I've got something else that I use for that. So that was an add-on for me. And then I am obsessed with lip stuff, and I got this Anastasia lip gloss in Saint Tropez. And then what I have on right now is the Perricone MD lipstick broad spectrum SPF 15 in the color berry, and that's what I'm wearing right now. So that's what I got in my box. I didn't think it was a great box, but I did think it was a good box. I think that I added up my stuff, and I am pretty sure the Moringa Balm was $24 if I didn't say that. But I think I added mine up, and I'm an annual member, so I pay $49.99, and mine added up to $318, if that's right. But anyway, all in all, very happy. I like FabFitFun. It's always fun to get. It's fun to decide what you want. It's fun to be surprised if you want to do that. But that is it for this FabFitFun unboxing. We will see you next time. Thanks, y'all. Bye-bye.